Last couple of months, I have been intensely traveling. Been to Hyderabad, Bangalore, Bombay, Delhi, all to do one thing, which is to meet the fund managers to know exactly चल क्या रहा है and how this 2026 should look like. And you know what? I found a common pattern in all my meetings. Everybody has been increasing their stakes in the banking and financial sector space. Let's understand why and what makes them so bullish on BFSI. Today, India is the fourth largest economy in the world after US, China and Germany. And we are likely to become the third largest economy by 2030. So in case किसी भी कंट्री को अगर डेवलप होना है, उसका जीडीपी बढ़ना है, तो वहाँ पे बहुत सारा क्रेडिट ऑफ टेक होता है, बहुत सारा इन्वेस्टमेंट होता है इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर के ऊपर, विच इज़ वॉट वी आर ऑलरेडी सीइंग. सो इफ दैट क्रेडिट हैज़ टू हैपन, इट इज़ द बैंक्स हु गिव दैट क्रेडिट. सो क्लियरली banks will have a very large role to play. Banking is nothing but the lifeline or the bloodline for any economy. So if economy has to grow, it cannot do without a good banking system in place, and that is why we are so bullish on banking. Today, अगर हम valuations की बात करें, banks are at a very sweet spot जहाँ पे उनके price to earning and price to book values are perhaps the lowest in the last 7-8 years. While their books are the cleanest in the last so many years. क्यों? क्योंकि उनके NPS भी सबसे नीचे हैं. So that makes a very clear case of a very good upside going forward for the banking sector, जहाँ पे top line और bottom line दोनों ही बहुत अच्छी दिखती हैं. So with all this around, I feel one cannot ignore banking and financial sectors including insurance, which are all set to have a good upside in the next couple of years to come.